In this video, first question is synonym of Sampertus. Sampertus is its correct option is option C, luxurious. Next question, synonym of jovial is its answer is option A, merry. Next question, synonym of predict. Synonym of predict, its answer is option A, foretell. Next question, the alphabets other than A, E, I, O, U are called, its answer is option B, consonants. Next question, synonym of zest, its answer is option C, enthusiasm. Next question, synonym of abasement is, its answer is option D, humiliation. Next question, dash makes the mare go, and the answer is option C, money makes mare go. Next question, read more detail. The question is, the Romans dash to Britain in 54 BC. Its answer is option B, came. Next question, one who praise oneself is called, its answer is option C, narcissist. Next question, synonym of gall, its answer is option B, quart. Next question, synonym of decade, its answer is option B, period of 10 years. इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।